Hi guys, welcome to Trends Bloggers. Today I am going to prepare shampoo. I got an order for almost 7 liter of shampoo. 5 liters I have to send it to Chennai, and 1 liter I have to send it to Hormark. So I got a order. So I'm just preparing this. I have already made a extract, that is herbal extract, which the main products in this shampoo I'm using is Amla, Shikakai and Reetha. It is very good for your hair, and also the rosemary leaves. It is very good for hair fall, dandruff control. So I have already made the extract, and I'm just mixing with the shampoo base I have already prepared, and I have uploaded the video. So you can visit my channel and see the how to make shampoo base video. So guys, here I'm showing the sample how it is looking. And if you want, anyone wants herbal shampoo, you can contact me directly, WhatsApp me, so I'll send it. And if it is about 1000 rupees order, it is completely free delivery all over India. Here I'm showing you how the pH level is there. Guys, you can see here the pH should be 5 to 6, so I got between 5 to 6. So it is good for your hair. You can use it, and I have a very good reviews. I will post you guys. You can go through with the reviews as well. Many of my customers are using these products, and they are happy with my products. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.